In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a PDF into ManyChat, an incredibly useful tool for businesses and marketers to engage with their audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. First things first, ManyChat is a platform designed to help you create chatbots for Facebook Messenger and other messaging apps. It streamlines communication and allows you to share various types of content with your audience, one of which includes PDF files. The first step in this process is to log into your ManyChat account. Open your automation flow where you'd like to add the PDF. It's a simple action that allows you to layer in content directly where your audience interacts with your chatbot. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by an interface filled with different options for creating your flow. Next, you need to decide where you want to incorporate the PDF. Select an existing send message block or add a new message node to your flow. To add a new block, just look for the Add Block button, and you will see various options pop up. Choose the Send Message option, which allows you to send any content to your users, including files. Once you are in the Send Message block, look for a button labeled More to expand the additional message elements. This is where you will find options to insert various types of content. What you want to do next is select the option for File, or PDF. This option is crucial as it allows you to upload your document directly into the conversation path where your users can easily receive it. Now comes the fun part. After selecting the File option, you will see an Upload button. Clicking this allows you to browse through your computer's files to select the PDF you want to share. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, ManyChat also supports the drag and drop feature. This means you can just drag your PDF file into the message builder area, and it will automatically start uploading. Make sure your PDF is ready and polished, as this is what your users will see. Once it is uploaded, you should get a preview of the file. This is a great time to double-check that everything looks good before you go any further. Finally, after you've added the PDF, it's important to remember to save and publish your flow. This crucial step ensures that all users can receive and preview the file directly in their direct messages. When you hit that Publish button, you make your flow live and ready for interaction. In just a few clicks, you've now incorporated a PDF into your ManyChat automation. This process allows you to share important documents, promotional material, guides, and other valuable resources directly with your audience, enhancing their experience with your brand. So there you have it. That's the complete how-to on putting a PDF into ManyChat. I hope you found this method easy to follow and that you're excited to implement it into your own ManyChat flows. It not only adds value to your communications, but also keeps your audience engaged with useful content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks related to digital marketing and chat automation. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting!